Hello, this video is about the new update number 2.27. It includes the new Surfbar, the macro list, and the upsell offers. This first video will be about the new Surfbar. So I have installed it, and you can see that it looks like this. If you find that things aren't right, you can come here to Surf Options, Surfbar Settings, and change back to Deprecated and update Surfbar Settings. Then when you come back to surfing, you'll see that it's back to the way it was supposed to be. So let's go through some of the settings here. Preload sites. This is something that you can choose to have on or off, or let your members choose them. The timer type, can choose between the animated image or the plain text. This animated image is this. As the timer goes down, the circle fills in. You can change the animated timer color, this blue that goes around the circle. Right now it's set to blue. I did a Google search of HTML color codes and found this page. When I scroll down, then I can pick whatever color I want and just use this. Just copy that and use this in my settings, and it should change. And it did. It was just very close to the other one. The Surfbar modules, each one of these things is a module. You get your surf icons, the timer, the banner and text. This down here we'll get to in just a minute. You can move these around where the timer comes first and then the surf icons. When we refresh, you'll see that that changes. You can go to the classic layout. If you click to enable that, you'll see that that changes, and you'd be able to put something there or whatever you want to do. I'll get to that in a second. I'm going to disable that, and then you can add a new module. If you click add a new module, let's give it a name of text test, a description of test, and let's put some HTML. And you can use any of the macros in here. And add that. Once we've added it, we want to click to enable, and when we go back and refresh, it's right here. You can also add any third-party Surfbar modules here. The programmer will need to make a PHP file for the module, and they'll put it in the Surf Modules folder. So when you come here to add module, it will be listed in the PHP file. You can name it and give it a description, and just go by the PHP file and add it, and it will be listed here. And you can enable it and move it to wherever you need to move it. Next are the Surfbar extensions. This is the status and menu that you see here. Now that's back to the way it was. And I'm going to come here, add a new extension, name it test, description test. If you have a third-party module that you want to put in this section, you can list it in the Surf Extensions section folder on your server, and it will show up here as a PHP file, but I'm just going to put in "We're glad you're here" and click Add, and then enable it. You can see that it's enabled. And my little message is there. I can center it, I can make it bold, I can also put it above the menu. Refresh. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, you can contact me or any of the support people, and we'll be happy to help. Okay, thanks. Bye.